Professor Pete here once again for the Gold Call Script Builder Kit. The Gold Call helps you start conversation with sales prospects. It's the greeting that gets the meeting. The following course outline seen here below is identical to the phone skills course I've been teaching students for the past 10 years here at the Lubin School of Business, Pace University in New York. After you subscribe to the Gold Call Script Builder Kit, you will receive a set of logon instructions explaining how to access the Gold Call Script Builder Kit. As easy as 1, 2, 3. Head to thegoldcall.com. Click the icon in the top menu, then click on My Kit to start the course. Choose Start with the Script to build a Gold Call script for your business. First, have a listen to these recordings that'll help you get acquainted with the Gold Call. Then build your Gold Call script by downloading the Gold Call Assembly Instructions, Workbook, and Script Composition Tool. After you've completed the course, your homework is to create a Gold Call lemonade statement for your business and send it to me for analysis. As for continuing education and reinforcement, return to My Kit and you'll find additional support resources for the Gold Call. The Gold Call Coach offers a library of Gold Call coaching sessions I've had with other salespeople. Gold Call CSI is a collection of recorded Gold Calls I've had with my sales prospects. It includes a forensic step-by-step analysis of how the Gold Call proceeded, including an autopsy report that critiques the call and summarizes the outcome. Gold Call of the Week Volumes 1 and 2, a collection of my Gold Calls with my prospects on the phone, along with my recorded analysis of the call and the outcome. Gold Calls for Gatekeepers, a collection of my recorded phone conversations with gatekeepers from around the world. Up your game with cold calling by subscribing to the Gold Call Script Builder Kit. I hope to have you in my next class. But until then, this is Professor Pete saying so long for now, and until our paths cross again, happy hunting.